Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact font family and weights you need, not everything. Once chosen, decide whether you will use the Google Fonts CSS link or download font files for bundling. Each method has trade-offs for latency and control. Make sure to subset character sets to reduce size and name files or keep the API query consistent. Finally, prepare a small folder structure for assets so you can reference them quickly in web or native projects and avoid path confusion later. You now integrate the font into your mobile target. For mobile web, insert the Google Fonts link or at import, set font display, swap and optionally preload critical fonts to avoid void. For Android, prefer downloadable fonts via the support library or drop. TTF into assets/res/font and reference in XML or typeface. Create from asset. For iOS, add files to the bundle, list them in info. List under UI app fonts, and instantiate with UI font. Make sure names match the family. You finish by applying the font to headings, body, and UI elements, and always include a sensible fallback stack so rendering remains consistent. Once applied, optimize delivery, subset glyphs, prefer WAF2 for web, enable gzip or Brotli, and set long cache headers. If things go wrong, check the common culprits: wrong file path or family name, missing info. Plist entry on iOS, content security policy blocking font fetch, mismatched weight names, or stale caches. Fix and retest on multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.